everyone, very happy Independence Day to all of you. So how are you all observing India's 75th Independence Day? Staying at home, attending a Zoom meeting? Just like last year, the scale of Independence Day celebrations have been reduced due to the pandemic, but our enthusiasm and spirit remain high. Orders from central government to all the states to avoid large gatherings, keep wearing masks and practice social distancing while celebrating Independence Day. Let us all move ahead on the path of happiness, prosperity and success, but in a safer environment. We'll take a glance at the Independence Day celebration of Sri Vithalrao Joshi Charities Trust English Medium School, Derwan. The flag hosting ceremony was carried by the chief guest Dr. Rita Malholkar. She has worked at Cancer Research Institute, Tata Memorial, Mumbai for 25 years. Certain guidelines from our Union Home Ministry stated that it would be appropriate if COVID-19 warriors are being invited to the ceremony. The national anthem and flag song was sung by everyone thereafter. The crowd you see here are nurses, medical students, professors, and sanitation workers. This is indeed a recognition of their noble service. I'm Srimati Gangarekha Barpati, a school teacher. So ma'am, I would like to ask you, how do you feel about celebrating India's 75th Independence Day without the students being in our school campus?
Okay, very good morning for you and happy Independence Day. On this day, I would like to tell that without the students, school is something we didn't imagine henceforth. Every year we celebrate the 15th August and the other Republic Day with the students, with their grand performance and their speeches and the happiness, whatever we see on their faces. All these things, they are experienced only with the students, not without the students. Therefore, I feel very lonely and not enjoying this day particularly without the students. Therefore, it is very nice if the students are with us. And as a teacher, always I like the students flooding in the school and enjoying their all activities with the teachers, obviously, because whole day they are with us and we are like the parents of them. Therefore, on this Independence Day, I really miss my students too much.
Okay, ma'am. So have you composed any virtual events for them?
Yes.
Which will be held online?
Yes, obviously. This year we had arranged online quiz competition, general knowledge quiz competition, then elocution competition, and students are going to participate from previous 2 days. They are participating and up to till today evening they are going to participate. Poster competition is also there. Means we are given the access for all their hidden activities, hidden art, so that they can participate in this.
At least participate even
yes.
in this situation. So thank you ma'am for joining with us. Happy Independence Day to all of you.
To all of you, happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Patriotism in citizens comes from within, but considering the current COVID scenario, everyone is requested to celebrate Independence Day at their homes. We have to keep in mind the sacrifices of our doctors and our healthcare staff who have been working so endlessly for keeping all of us safe. Independence Day reminds all of us to be grateful, humble and give respect to all the people who were behind our freedom.